The Moon, Earth's closest celestial companion, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its glowing presence in the night sky has inspired myths, guided explorers, and shaped the tides of our oceans. Yet for all its familiarity, the Moon harbors mysteries that continue to intrigue scientists and dreamers alike. Among these enigmas, the dark side of the Moon, a term both poetic and misleading, stands as a symbol of the unknown, a region hidden from Earth's view until humanity's technological ambition unveiled its secrets. This narrative embarks on a journey to explore the Moon's far side, weaving together its geological wonders, scientific discoveries, and the cultural significance it holds in our collective imagination. With a foundation in the latest findings as of 2025, we will traverse the lunar landscape, uncover its hidden truths, and reflect on what the Moon's enigmatic far side reveals about our place in the cosmos. The Moon, a rocky body approximately 3,474 kilometers in diameter, orbits Earth at an average distance of 384,400 kilometers. Formed roughly 4.5 billion years ago, likely from the debris of a colossal impact between Earth and a Mars-sized protoplanet named Theia, the Moon has been a constant presence in Earth's skies. Its surface, scarred by eons of cosmic collisions, tells a story of violence and tranquility. The near side, visible from Earth, is marked by vast, dark basaltic plains known as maria, contrasted by bright, cratered highlands. But the far side, often misnamed the dark side, remained unseen until the Soviet Union's Luna 3 spacecraft captured the first images in 1959. Far from being perpetually dark, the far side receives as much sunlight as the near side. It is simply the hemisphere that faces away from Earth due to tidal locking, a gravitational dance that synchronizes the Moon's rotation with its orbit. Tidal locking is a fascinating consequence of gravitational interaction. Over billions of years, Earth's gravity slowed the Moon's rotation until one hemisphere became permanently oriented toward our planet. This phenomenon ensures that the same lunar face greets us each night, while the far side remains hidden from terrestrial observers. The term dark side is thus a misnomer, born of poetic imagination rather than scientific reality. Both sides of the Moon experience a cycle of day and night, with each lunar day lasting approximately 29.5 Earth days. Yet the far side's invisibility from Earth has imbued it with an aura of mystery, fueling speculation about what lies beyond our view. The first glimpse of the Moon's far side came on October 7, 1959, when Luna 3's grainy images revealed a landscape starkly different from the familiar near side. Where the near side boasts expansive maria formed by ancient volcanic eruptions, the far side is dominated by rugged, heavily cratered terrain. The maria, which cover about 31% of the near side, are scarce on the far side, comprising less than 2% of its surface. This asymmetry puzzled scientists for decades. Why does one hemisphere feature vast lava plains, while the other is a chaotic canvas of craters? The answer lies in the Moon's geological history and its intimate relationship with Earth.
I feel so